Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the size of your coffee filter and clean it for your Siemens EQ6 Plus S500. So in order to do that, you'll need to first just slide down the coffee filter by forcing it down like that. So now it's slided down. You can just take off the milk heater like that. And now just pop it open by using a bit of strength to pull it off like that. And from here you can start cleaning the coffee filter. To simply put it back, just do it the same way but backwards, and you can adjust the size like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.